In a warm, cozy living room filled with the aroma of freshly brewed tea, a little boy named Sam sat beside his wise grandfather, eagerly awaiting another one of his captivating stories. "Come with me, Sam," said his grandfather, taking him by the hand and leading him to the garden. "Today, I will teach you something very important." In the garden, the grandfather pointed to a small plant and a large, majestic tree. "Do you see that big tree over there? It started as a tiny seed, just like this small plant," the grandfather continued. "This tree has faced many storms. Strong winds have tried to uproot it. Heavy rains have tried to break it. But it stood firm because its roots are deep and strong." He then showed Sam a group of trees standing together. "Do you see how these trees support each other? When they grow close, their roots intertwine, giving each other strength to withstand any storm. Just like the trees, Sam," the grandfather said, "you'll face challenges in life, but remember, with strong roots and good support, you can overcome anything." Sam nodded, understanding the lesson. "Thank you, Grandpa," he said, hugging him tightly. He felt the warmth and wisdom in his grandfather's embrace, ready to face whatever life had in store for him.